Hey guys, this is Killer Miggy here, and our family just got a new cat, so I thought of celebrating it by playing a cat game that I found. And I went through all the basics first, and well, I got to this part after all the basics and all the instructions. So now I'm in the actual game. So, hope you like this game, and I'm sure that you guys will have a good time. And let's start off with this. What? Why can't I do that? It has a red dot on this. Why is there a red dot? Close. Ooh. What do I want? What do I want? Themes. I want rock. I want this space one. Oh, I want the space. Chases. Bubbles. Stars. Okay, let's not buy anything. Okay, there we go. Hey, what happened? What? Okay. Oh, that would have crushed the cat. Like, that would crush the cat. Like, really. Whoop, whoop. If this sounds too loud, I'm very sorry for that. I just like it this way. Ah, gosh dang it. Let's try this again. God. Okay, that might be good. Did I get it? No, I have to put something down there. Gosh dang it. I'm just trying to... Oh, I did it! Woo! I did it! Oh, yeah! I did it! I did it! I did it! I did it! Okay, next. Oh my... I'm cold. I'm really cold. I don't know why. Here's my jacket. Let me hurry and put it on. I'll be there in a second. Let me hurry and do... Oh, and I'm back. I got my jacket on. And, this one looks very interesting. So I'm just gonna... Oh! Okay, it goes too far. So, let's see that again. So... I have to do something like this, then this, then this. This. Move. No! This game is very hard and I don't know why. But if you hold it, apparently there's a ball. Okay. Okay, I dropped my phone. Free. I'm gonna take it. This is stupid. What do you mean by this? I would have never thought of that. I would never. By the way, I love my new cat. She. Our new cat is a girl, and I have a little sister, and she named it Fluffy. It's very cute and playful. I love it. My new cat, I love it. So I'm playing this cat game. I might delete it because it's so darn hard, but it's pretty fun so far. Just wait. No, I say that, Kate, and then the next day, I'm like, why is this so hard? Like, that's how I act. Whee! Well, I suck at this. Okay, let's try this again. I've already been recording for 5 freaking minutes. This is crazy. 5 minutes. Oh, whoops. Why does this keep happening to me? Okay, let's try this again. By the way, I'm playing on my phone, so this is hard as heck. And there it goes. Hold on. I'll be back in a second. Okay, so I tried everything in this place, and nothing works as a stylist. So, are you okay with sloppy stuff? I'm gonna take that as a yes. I know I can't hear you. Wait, where's the cookie? Oh, I forgot. I was trying everything. One worked as a stylist, but it sucked. I'm gonna have to use this again. It's so freaking hard. What? No. This is lying to me. This will not work. This is so... What is this? Okay, so give me my kitty a cookie. So I'm gonna have to do the old-fashioned fat baby. And then over here, gonna have this. And over here, this be super fat. Okay, there. No! Okay, it caught itself. Wait, I can't draw there? Okay. Jeez. A big fat baby down below. Why can't I do that? Why doesn't the cat move? Gosh dang it. Okay. This is hard. You'll be back. I did it! I did it! Finally! I'ma do it. Come on. I got a cheeky! Oh my gosh, that's so cute! Meow! Meow! Aw, such a cute little kitty. Oh. Tuna fish! Everyone, I don't like tuna fish, but to the cat, I'm excited for it. Next. That's a cute little chick-ass. Whoa, you're so cute. Why can't I do that? Exactly? Oh. Well, that was plenty easy. I feel like I didn't have to do anything, but okay. Let's go. It's a Mario time. I like this. Oh, okay. I get ya. Okay. I know what to do already. Oh fudge. Oh fudge. Oh fudge. Oh fudge. Oh fudge. Oh fudge. I did it! Ooh. Ooh. Oh my gosh. I love this. Woo! Woo 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 woo. Oh my gosh. This one? I can't. There's your stinking tuna. Everyone put in the comments if you hate tuna or like tuna or love tuna. And also what game you want me to play next if you have any ideas. If it's a game I can't download, I'm sorry. I'm very sorry. I'm just going to play a random game. But since my cat, I got a new cat, I'm playing this. Oh, and also it's Friday when I'm recording this. And well, I am pretty good today. I feel good. And guys, I think that's gonna be enough for this video. So I'm gonna see you in the next video.